Hey, what's up, guys? I'm out here in my backyard taking a little look at everything. It's such a gorgeous day out here. It is 5 degrees Celsius, which is about 40 degrees Fahrenheit for those of you down south. I'm in zone 5 in Toronto, Canada, and it is gorgeous out here. So I see a lot of growth coming up with some of my plants. Look at these beautiful plants starting to green up. It is so beautiful out here the first week of January. I just had to come out and take a good look at these plants. But what I'm really out here doing is I want to get my containers for my winter sowing. I kind of left them out here in my little junk pile. So I'm going to scoop them up today and wash them out and start to get things going for my winter sowing. So I'm just here picking up my containers that I used last season for my winter sowing, and I got quite the surprise. I'll flip the camera and show you what I mean. So these 3 containers, for some reason, I didn't open them, I guess, or maybe there was nothing growing in them last season, but this is alyssum that has started growing, I guess because it's so warm. And this looks like a calendula. And I'm not too sure what this is, but they almost look like petunia seedlings. Oh no, it's an echinacea. Wow, look at that. These plants are healthy and vibrant. Look at that. Look at my beautiful heuchera out here throwing up new leaves. Look at that. These are new leaves. Looking good out here. What you should be doing now is collecting your containers. Just as long as they are see-through, plastic, milk jugs, juice containers, anything, even the containers that you get your takeout chicken from, you can even use those. As long as it has a lid, plastic that's kind of see-through that'll let the sunlight in. And you can start winter sowing, guys. Trust me, you won't regret it. Last year was my first year and I can't wait to do it again. I'm just getting my seeds together, figuring out what I want to do again this year. And I'll probably do more than I did last year because I had such a good result from it. I'm going to link my video down below from my results from last year if you want to catch a peek. And if you don't know what winter sowing is, you can watch that video as well, and I give you a full rundown of what it's like. And if you've made it this far and you still haven't subscribed, guys, what are you waiting for? Hit that like button, subscribe, let's be garden friends, and you tell me how your garden's going and I'll tell you how mine's going. All right, take care for now, guys. Can you believe how my perfect little rhodo's doing?